Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO TAB M10 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, and from there extend the list of toggles. And hopefully somewhere here you'll find the screen recording toggle. If it's not on the first page, scroll to the second page and you can see it right over here. So from there, simply tap on it. It will bring up some message, so start now. It starts a countdown, and after it will begin recording. So whatever you will do right now obviously will be recorded. So if I open up some kind of app, that will be visible. Anyway, once you're done, you can click on the red square, and this will automatically save the screen recording to your gallery application. Now, one more thing that I can see in here is the gear icon, which will take you to settings, and in here you can customize just generally how screen recording records. But yeah, anyway, let's open up photos, and in here I'll just show you the screen recording. Can I not update it? That would be fantastic. Are you effing kidding me? Nope, I'm not going to be updating it. So normally, obviously I would just show you this through photos, but because Google is trying to be absolute annoyance about it, I'm just going to go through files in this case. So I'm going to go to browse, and I believe this is it right here. Yep. So let's just play it in. Sorry for that. So anyway, you can see there's the screen recording. Now, like I mentioned, normally you would just see it in your Photos application, and it will be under Photos, probably right at the top, or under Library. You can probably find things like the albums, and in there, in an album, one of them should be named Screen Recordings or Screenshots, and you could find the screen recording in there. So anyway, with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.